Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you guys are having a great Sunday. Today on the channel, we're looking at the final single carded figure from Wave 7 of the Masters of the Universe Origins line, and that is mini comic book Stratos, the Winged Warrior. And here he is. Or like some people like to call him Naked Stratos or Shirtless Stratos. But there he is. Of course, in that amazing box art that we all know and love. And I'm so glad and happy that Mattel has brought this back for us. It gives it that vintage feel and look that we all remember back in the 80s. But there he is. New for 2022 with the red rocks exploding and the Master Universe logo coming from the rocks as well. And we'll flip it around to the back. With some absolutely amazing, beautiful artwork, bright, colorful, amazing, with Stratos and He-Man taking on one of Merman's sea creatures. Of course, his action, you can pose him, stuff like that. And he comes with his wings to clip on. And of course, the other figures in Wave 7. And I've done a review on each of them: Buzz-Off, Jitsu, and Sorceress, if you'd like to go back and watch, for anybody who's new to the channel. Okay, and we'll flip it back around. And of course, with a new wave comes a new comic book for the wave. Now I'm going to do this very quickly, the Challenge of Jitsu, because I've done this for all the other figures, but I am so happy and so glad that Mattel has given this back to us. You know, these comic books to read. It's a fun. They were fun reads, beautiful artwork and illustrations and stuff like that. Of course, in the back, it shows the cross sell of all the figures in Wave 7. There you go. So we all know about Wave 7, guys. I'm not going to be like a broken record. We all know about Wave 7, that, you know, it should be very easy right now to find him or any figures for Wave 7. So, you know, he's at Walmart, Target. I found him at Barnes & Noble, online like Big Bag Toy Store, Entertainment Earth, Amazon. So if you need a figure, him, hopefully you shouldn't. Hopefully you do have, you know, at least one carded and one loose figure in your collection. You should not have a problem with that. But if you do need to find one, you know, there's your options right there. You know, Walmart online, Target online, you know, Big Bag Toy Store, Entertainment Earth. You know, so you should have no problem if you still need this figure to find one from for Mattel for your collection. All right. Now, this figure is our second figure of him. Of course, we got that first figure, the original looking, or, you know, classic look of Stratos. I'll put them right next to each other. Of course, there he is, Stratos. I think he came out in Wave 3, I believe. I might be wrong, but I believe he came out in Wave 3. There he is. Next to mini comic book Stratos. Now, if I had to pick one, I would have to pick the, you know, this version right here. And I hope we get that variant one too in Origins, guys, where his what do you call it? His harness is blue and his wings are red. Of course, we got a Stratos in Masterverse as well. I'm so happy to get him in Masterverse, and we'll be looking at him when the time comes, when we do a Masterverse review for that wave. And I too have a loose version of mini comic book Stratos. There he is. Now, he does not come with any weapons, because in the cartoon, in the filmation, he would blast energy blast from his arm or his wristband. And I really wish that maybe Origins did that, gave us some sort of like blast effect that he could connect to his arm, you know, some sort of blue beam, something like that, you know, to give it that more realistic look that we all know from the filmation cartoon, stuff like that. But there he is. And I also have his normal version loose. We'll put that next to each other. And I just noticed, if you look, the wings on the more, not the mini comic book version of Stratos, is a light blue from the mini comic book version. I always just assumed that, the color of the wings would be the same, but they're not. There you go. Now you can. Now, unfortunately, you can't twist the body, but you can move it around. You can twist the head if you wish. Arms can go up and down. You can move. The arm can go all the way around if you wish. You can pop the arm off. You can snap back on. Feet. You can move around side to side, all around. Good splits. All in all, an amazing character, guys. I mean, a classic character to have in your collection. Everyone should have, at least a Stratos. Maybe an army. This could be a good army builder, guys. Since he's out pretty much everywhere. If you want a few of these guys, and he's the leader, like this one is the leader. This could be some of his soldiers and stuff like that. With him. Same with Buzz-Off too. You can create an army of Buzz-Off and stuff like that. And an army of the Winged Warriors and stuff like that. And this is their leader. The possibilities are endless, guys. And that's what I love about Battelle Creations, is that. But there you go. Get this guy over here. And there's the back of Stratos. Down. You can remove the head very easily. It snaps right back on with no problem. Customize it however you wish. But there you go, guys. There's a quick look at mini comic book Stratos. So once again, there you go. There is a quick look at mini comic book Stratos next to his regular version. And I really hope, like I said, that we get that variant in Origins with the blue harness with the red rings. I really wish they would have given us a blast effect on his arm that can shoot out. But still an amazing character to have. A great army builder. You can have a few of these guys, like I said. And he can be like the leader, the main Stratos, and this is his people, defending him and stuff like that. But there you go. And you should have no problems, guys. I hope you guys can have found him, or at least two of him, stuff like that, in your collection. Like I said, there's a lot of places you can go to find him, stuff like that. So I hope you guys have him in your collection. So I want to take the time out, guys, to thank all my subscribers. If you made it this far in the channel and you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, guys. Hit that like button too, that thumbs up button. And share this video with friends who are passionate with Master Universe. I do reviews on Origins, Masterverse, and pretty soon CGI. Hit that notification bell when I upload new videos. And tomorrow I'll be doing the first deluxe figure in Wave 7, and that is Flying Fist He-Man. There were two deluxe figures in Wave 7, Flying Fist and Terror Claw Skeletor. So I can't wait to be looking at He-Man, Flying Fist He-Man tomorrow. So until then, guys, I hope you guys have a great Sunday. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care, guys.